Morning, 5 a.m. Sunday. Just getting the bike ready. We're heading up to Burney Falls today. It's going to be a 550-mile round trip today. We're heading down to Sacramento to meet with the boys and be heading out from there. We'll see you down the road. Just got to Sacramento, 0630 hours. Tongs is riding into the gas station right now. Tongs arrived with his new bars.
Oh, I love the new bars.
And the chrome. What is this? What is that?
Willie.
Oh, you got another helmet on here? Where you gonna get lucky and get a
Maybe.
He's such a stud. Palm's arrived. He's 2 up.
Now that the boss man.
Hey, I won.
Oh, congrats.
Sorry.
Congrats, man.
Easy game.
Hey, I'm Darren.
I'm Rena.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
We're gonna go get Lee now, right?
Let me practice that one. He's the one more experience.
I was gonna say that too, but I don't want to be like, you know.
No, I
Let
did.
me-
I did. We're gonna go get Lee.
So, what we'll
We're
do,
coming for you, Lee.
What we'll do is give us warning when you need to get gas.
I just get gas. Right?
So, hey,
Okay, gonna suit up and we're gonna leave Sacramento now. It's about 7:15. Palm's got his girl Raina. I got Jenny.
Huh?
Tom's on his own,
What is it?
but we are gonna come for Lee one day. See you at this next stop. Best laid plans. Do they ever work? So we're now at Woodland off I-5, Dutch Brothers. So we jump on the 5, gonna take 5 all the way to Burney Falls. And right where 99 and 5 split, Tong and Palm go down 99. Tong forgot something, so he had to go home. So normally great adventures start with little mishaps like this, so let's see what today brings. So the GoPro died, and so we're having to do this on the iPhone now, so that's going to be fun. So I stopped off for a Vista point. It's called Fountain Fire Vista Point. I'll show you. I was expecting an amazing vista, and this is it. Bunch of trees for like a quarter of a mile, that's it. So at this point here, Prince was playing with Let's Go Crazy, and Tong started dancing, and yeah, we're just having a little bit of fun with it, but YouTube blocked it, so I wasn't allowed to keep the music playing, but enjoyed Tong's funky moves anyway. Finally made it Burney Falls. Left Forest Hill 5 a.m. All the stops and everything. About 270 miles later for us, we're here. They said we probably wouldn't be able to park. We got the actual closest parking space. Well deserved. They said you probably have to park like a mile and a half. So yeah, they said we probably have to park about a mile and a half down. But we got real lucky, and I think we actually got the closest space
parking space for all the bikes to the falls. So, bit of luck. Good catch, Jenny.
Yeah, that's how you get poisoned over.
So it's a 75-foot hike, and then we can go home.
There's bathrooms right there.
Oh shoot, this is close, huh?
Yeah, 75 feet hike. We can do this.
Oh, we can totally do this. We got lucky.
Tom's got his galoshes on. He's going fishing.
So if you see people in the water, I'm jumping in.
Oh my god.
Oh, we already saw it. We can go.
Okay, we're done. So the height of the waterfall is 129 feet. Depth is 22 feet. And the water is 42 to 48 degrees. So a little bit of a walk down here. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is pretty.
Oh, that'd be fun to go swimming.
I know, huh? So I guess everyone's getting carried away now. We just have to walk 75 feet to see the falls. They want to go closer. But I guess it's not far. It's like 3/4 of a mile or something. So why not? See you at the bottom. Well, that was fun. I tell you could be in Hawaii here. No one would know you're in California. Totally spectacular. So if you get a chance to come out to Burney Falls, you will love it. Such a trip. You can feel the coolness from the water, which is like 42 to 48 degrees, and you can feel it in the air. So nice, so nice. What do you think, Jay?
Oh, beautiful. You never expect to be here in California, Northern California.
Yep.
If you're on vacation somewhere.
Yep. Totally worth the drive. Yeah. Get out and see California. We are so blessed to live here, no doubt. And this is just crazy. You got Mount Shasta about 50 miles away, and they say that we can see it from here on a clear day. So we're going to see if that's true in a bit. But you also got Crater Lake. So yeah, this little area, you should come camping. So we got here, there was a little bit of a line getting past the gate. It was $10 a bike, so I guess it's $10 a vehicle. They said we probably have to park a mile and a half away and walk back up. We probably got the closest parking space to the falls and literally had to walk 7,500 feet to get to see the falls. And then we walked just about a mile down Not even a mile. I think it was a quarter mile up. Absolutely spectacular. Spectacular. 550 mile round trip. Worth every mile. I think everyone had a great time. Tom, did you have a good time?
Great time.
Good time? Awesome. Now the ride back. Raina, the newbie to the group. Did you have fun?
So much fun.
So much fun.
Oh, yeah.
Pom's finally taking you on a trip.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, some videos, so he's going to want that.
Finally.
And Pom's going for a walk, so he's feeding up the stairs a little bit, I think. Jay, had fun, right?
I had a lot of fun. Thank you for bringing me here.
You're so welcome. So that's pretty much it. Burney Falls. Definitely worth coming to see. Like I say, from Sacramento, it's about 220 miles. We live a little bit outside Sacramento now, so it's a little bit further, but totally worth the drive. I don't know what it was like in the height of summer, but I'm sure it was a lot busier. But yeah, definitely get up here. Beautiful. In the meantime, we're gonna head home. Stop the videoing here, but please like, subscribe, make a comment, because we love putting these videos together, and we got some great trips in the future planned. Our next trip is, I believe, it's going to be Street Vibrations. So we're going to be going to Reno and Virginia City. So we'll see you there. Otherwise, be safe and stay up on those two. Later.